Welcome to our unboxing today. Hello everybody, today we are doing an unboxing for
a ton of people.
A ton of people. We have a whole box full today.
Alright, so what's the first the first thing he wants to show us is HummingBerd made a very special thing for us, so we wanted to show that off.
I also am very curious.
Ooh,
Now, can we
HummingBerd
put the
did
box
a
on the ground
special
for a minute?
Mother's Day gift kind of thing.
I'm gonna move this out of the way for just 2 seconds. So I'll be right here, I'll be safe.
Ooh, look at that lineup of goodness.
Nog Champa.
What is Nog Champa? Do you know what that is?
I have no idea what Nog Champa is.
It's like something it is something that they put in Tibetan spiritual rituals as an incense.
I'm gonna try coconut lime.
Yes.
Oh.
What do you think that one smells like?
Coconut lime?
Coconut lime. It's
very clean.
That is really nice. That's super nice. So this is body butter, and it was Miss Danielle made it for.
Oh, it's on my hands.
Caden's mama.
It went on my hands, so I just.
Christy Peters.
And now we're gonna do body butter. Cake. Well, it just smells as cake. I wonder if this one's gonna be.
Now I can tell you that Mom's already used this, so.
Oh.
Because she liked
That's
it.
a very
oh,
strong
do you
smell.
that?
I already smell it.
What is?
Oh.
I can smell it over here. What does it smell like?
Literally cake. Like it's just like if you bought a cake right now, and
like
it
with
was
the frosting too.
With the frosting, this is what you would smell. It smells so good.
Yeah, so Christy said that was one of her favorites. She likes this one too. It's a clean scent, very nice.
Now what about golden throat?
Uh-oh, somebody's traveling.
The magic school bus.
Is that a school bus?
No, it isn't. I don't think the school buses are out.
Oh, okay. What is that one?
Apple. Oh, why? That's loud.
He's extra loud.
It smells exactly like apple.
You think it smells like apple?
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's apple in the picture as well, so I'm not surprised.
No, it smells like apple. It smells like apple. What is it called?
It's called Golden Throat.
Do you know what is that? When it says golden throat, what do you think that is?
It's golden?
It's a HummingBerd variety.
Oh.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Except for cake. I don't think there's a cake hummingbird, but okay.
Oh! And you
almost died.
Another one back to dust here.
Okay.
Sorry.
What was that all about?
Nothing.
So our camera died in the middle of doing this. So we got some merch. So we unboxed it, but we did want to show it off. So this is what's in box number 2. It is the Bearded Practitioner merch.
Yeah,
and
brother.
I got this from Frank and Sean at Vampire Clothing. Very cool. And show them this t-shirt. We got a t-shirt too.
Oh.
With a little saying on it. Show it off. Here we go. It says, keep calm. What does it say?
Meditate and stay bearded.
That's right. Very cool. So thank you very much, Sean and Frank, for making these for me. And let me know in the comments below whether you guys are interested in maybe purchasing some of this. I know some people like some bearded swag. I don't know if they would like some t-shirt and a hat. I also have a sticker that is in this same emblem, so you can put that on your car. I have it on my car. What was that?
I don't know.
So,
wait, so your first merch was a sticker.
That'll be so now we can go back to the rest of the boxes that we were going to we opened.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, cars are just non-stop bothers.
Okay.
Alrighty, we are gonna open this box.
This is from Dave, that bearded guy, KC Mo, and that's his Instagram handle. He is an awesome person, and he has given me something that I am so excited about. This will
Dude, I'm cutting it actually good.
Ooh.
My cutting skills are improving.
His cutting skills are improving, I say. Oh, very nice.
The only issue is like this is a little tape too closed up for me.
Is that clipped up? Is that a little too taped up?
Yeah. Or tape too close, like.
Do you think that's...
Like you would have to tear through the box, or
Maybe. It is very taped. It isn't going anywhere.
Oh. I think we got it. Alright, can I cut through the middle now?
Okay, you can cut through the middle. That's all you.
The final.
Except for it was on that type.
Oh wait, what?
See, that's the...
Oh, that's the easy top. Okay. I'm not cutting my fingers off today.
We are not cutting fingers today. There's that guy again. I think wherever he went, he came back.
Came back from the dead. Easy as a 1, 2. I can't sing any songs like that. Whoa, Dad. Maybe we cut it wrong. Oh, there's a lot of puffs.
Oh, there's a lot of little peanuts. Peanuts.
This is nuts.
This is nuts.
Whoa.
What is it, Caden? It's
I can't
peanuts.
see it yet.
And
so
a box.
And a box, and I'm trying so hard to see it. Alright, 1 sec. It's just really tricky right now. I'm just gonna pour the box
Thank you, Dave,
out.
for packing it so well. Especially. Ah!
We're gonna have to pick these up afterwards. Oh, I know. You're helping me too. You're the one who threw it first. 1 sec. I'm gonna see what this is.
It doesn't say
I'll return
anything.
exchange policy.
This is it. Don't worry about it.
Oh wait, this is a pro lens.
This is something that is going to help adapt. So what it is...
I think, oh wait. No.
Oh, there's another little thing.
Wait, let me see. I can do it. Just give me a minute.
Don't do that. How about we not do that? So, what this is, and we'll open it.
Slowly but steadily.
This
is
an
bag.
An adapter.
Oh, wow.
So what this is I put this on my camera.
Ooh,
I put this on my camera.
Okay.
And what it does is it converts one size lens to another size of lens. So it's basically creating so I can now use all of the other Canon lenses.
Ones?
Just different ones. So the ones that have already been out there, there's different types of mounts. I have a mirrorless, and this one converts it to an S mount.
That's actually really cool. Oh, my eye.
Which brings us to why I have a box from Amazonia. So we got t-shirts, we got camera stuff,
Alright, I'm
we
gonna cut
got
this open.
beard stuff and butters, body butters.
How do you cut glue?
You don't cut glue. You just cut it like this, bud.
Oh. I always forget about that.
And you can tell because
I ain't
there's the box.
in the shed.
Now this I'm not probably going to take out of the box because it is yet... Well, I'll take it out of the box.
Like, I will not take it out of the box.
This goes along with this, and this is my new, brand new 24mm pancake lens that is from Canon.
We got cake and we got pancake.
And it's a cake. It is a pancake lens because it's flatter, and it's a 24 millimeter STM EFS mount, so that's why I had to have this, because you had to have it convert from EFM to an EFS. And it has a better f-stop. So I think I get 2 f-stops from this.
This is just my favorite scent ever. I just love cake, absolutely. Probably not my favorite scent ever, because I do not have any favorite scent, but
He never has any but that's a pretty good.
that is an amazing scent.
Yeah, it's already been used, because that one's going to be gone soon. Cake. That's so awesome. Cake. It smells like frosting
We should let Joey burn
and
this
cake. No, we should not. Okay, well, that is the end of our unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I get excited about new camera stuff. We have some merch from Vampire Clothing. Thank you very much, Frank and Sean. And thank you very much, HummingBerd Danielle.
Thank you. All these scents smell absolutely amazing.
I know, there's not a bad scent from that company, so. Okie dokie. Anything else you'd like to say?
I have to go back to homework.
Oh, it's very sad.
And
Like and subscribe.
This is my break, so I'm good.
Make any comments below about whether you think that this merch is something that I should be selling, if you would be interested in it. And definitely go into my...
I'm showing them this. Like, the hat literally has the bearded Buddha on the side.
Just a bearded meditator guy.
Yeah. Bop.
Okay. And there is a discount code in my detailed description of this YouTube video that will give you 15% off Danielle's stuff.
Oh, I'm using it.
And I'll be honest with you, I have yet to find anything that I don't like. It's just all really, really good products. So.
No, they're returning.
And she tells me that she's made a cologne scent, so go check that out.
I'm sorry.
Got anything else? Got any more wisdom? Gotta go back to work?
I'm full of wisdom.
Yeah. She's full of something.
I don't know. I'm full of wisdom.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh my, I'm so hungry.